The Levoit LV-H126 is one of the first models launched by Levoit. This model was released not long after the already well-known LV-H132 model. In this video, we'll find out if this little desktop air purifier is still a great choice and whether it will be up to the task. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can keep up to date with all our latest content. The LV-H126 doesn't need much preparation before the first start. Take the device out of the box and open the lid at the back side to get to the filters. Separate the filters from the device, then remove the plastic bag that covers the filters. Put the carbon and HEPA filter back in, place the pre-filter on the HEPA filter, and close the cover. After you have completed all the steps, place the air purifier on the desired spot, at least 15 inches away from other objects. Plug it in and turn it on. The Levoit LV-H126 does not have extra functions, which makes it simple to use. Full device control is done with one control wheel. The control wheel has 4 options: the off option, the first, the second, and the third speed. The wheel is entirely mechanical. The device does not have any additional electronics. The Levoit LV-H126 features a unique design that looks like a small speaker. The whole device is white, and only the front panel is covered with blue fabric. This device is a classic desktop air purifier, which means it will be best fit on a desk, nightstand, or some similar location that is close to you. The Levoit LV-H126 is designed for rooms up to 161 square feet. The air inlet is on the back, while the air outlet is on the front. Basically, the air is pushed towards the blue panel, which then disperses the fresh air on the sides. For more details, check out airpurifierfirst.com. We are already used to 3-in-1 filters in Levoit models. The same holds true with the LV-H126 model. The first stage of filtration is a pre-filter that captures large particles such as hair and fibers. The HEPA filter is the second stage of filtration, removing small dust particles, viruses, pollen, dander, and mites. The activated carbon filter is the third stage of filtration that removes unwanted odors and fumes. The filter needs to be changed on average between 6 and 8 months, or if you experience unusual smells and decreased airflow. For the longevity of the filter, regular pre-filter cleaning with a vacuum cleaner is recommended. Replacing filters is a simple task. After you remove the air purifier filter, clean the inside chambers thoroughly with a vacuum cleaner. Unpack the new filter and put it inside the air purifier. Finally, close the lid. Since the LV-H126 does not have an electronic filter indicator, you must do this manually by adjusting the dial on the back of the device. Perhaps a better option would be to use a calendar on your smartphone, but the choice is up to you. We tested the noise production at all 3 speeds. The device is silent enough on the first and second speeds. It's much louder at third speed, and this can be a problem for many users, regardless of the fact that the efficiency at third speed is the highest. At first speed, the device produces a sound of 42.3 dBA. At second speed, it produces a sound of 45.2 dBA. while at third speed, it produces 61.2 dBA. These results may differ from the manufacturer's results because our volume measuring device includes A-weighted decibels in the measurements. A 35-watt motor powers the Levoit LV-H126. The device is not a significant energy consumer, so for a full month of active use on third speed, it will cost you about $3, if we consider that the price of electricity in the US is about 12 cents per kilowatt hour. Replacing the filter is a slightly higher cost. If we consider the electricity consumption and the price of the replacement filter, we can say that using the LV-H126 is not a high cost. As before, we did the tests in many different rooms. We are satisfied with the acquired results, although we had larger expectations. In the following scenes, we'll show you the most exciting tests. In a room of 194 square feet, the LV-H126 improved air quality by about 85% in 60 minutes, lowering the AQI from 109 to 16. Since the room is slightly larger than the recommended dimensions, the results were very good. In a room of 120 square feet, which is smaller than the recommended dimensions, the device improved air quality by about 85%, which is the same percentage as in the previous test. In this test, the device lowered the AQI from 52 to 8. In all tests, the device was running on third speed. We placed the LV-H126 in a smoke box, which we then filled with smoke. In the following scenes, see how fast the LV-H126 has removed the smoke from the smoke box. The Levoit LV-H126 is a simple air purifier without extra functions. All you need to do is turn it on and let it do the work. The device is intended for rooms up to 161 square feet. However, the best results will be given in slightly smaller rooms than recommended. It will ideally fit on your desk, so the LV-H126 will be a great purchase if you work in a smaller office. See a detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click subscribe. That's it for now.